Hey guys, what's up? It's Miss Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another tap routine to teach you. It's around the intermediate level, so don't be afraid to speed it up or slow it down based upon your level. So grab those tap shoes and let's get started. We're going to shuffle, toe, heel, spank, heel, shuffle, heel. Once again, this is shuffle, toe, heel, spank, heel, shuffle, heel. From there, you're going to just go corner to corner, flat, back, front with those heels, and then the other side, flat, back, front. So once again, this starts shuffle, toe, heel, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, flat, heel, heel, flat, heel, heel. And facing the back, it'll look like this. Shuffle, toe, heel, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, flat, back, front, flat, back, front. And just a little faster. Moving on from there, we're going to go basic into our paradiddles. Dig, spank, toe, heel, dig, spank, toe, heel. Then we're going to do just 3 quick ones, 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. to stop. So 5 paradiddles all together. 2 slow, 3 fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that ain't not facing the back. And piecing those 2 8 counts together. And a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And facing the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to stomp and switch. We're going to go stomp, step, stomp, clap, clap. It'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 are your counts. Once again, 1 and 2, 8, 4. From there, we're going to do a scissor step. Shuffle. We're going to go to our toes. Toe, 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 heel, and do a stomp. And so we want to make sure that's a stomp so that foot comes up. So once again, we start stomp and stomp and stomp, clap, clap, shuffle, toe, 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 heels. And that ain't not facing the back. 1 and 2 and 4. Shuffle, toe, 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 heels. And piecing that together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on from there, we just did our stamp. We're going to go side to side. Heel, toe, step. Heel, toe, step, stamp. Then we're going to go scuff, heel, step, ball, change, scuff, heel, step, ball, change. So once again, we just did that stomp. Heel, toe, step. Heel, toe, step, stamp. Scuff, heel, step, ball, change. 5, 6, 7, 8. And piecing that together from the beginning. From there, we're going to rock back and forth, flap, heel, flap, heel, then just a toe, heel to bring those feet together. So, once again, shuffle 1, shuffle 2, shuffle 3, flap, heel, toe, heel. Now we're going to repeat that shuffles, shuffle 1, shuffle 2, shuffle 3, flap, heel. From here, we're going to go straight out, in, stamp, bring it in to finish on 8. So those last 2 counts of 8 with that repeat. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and 8, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, flap, heel, pause, heel, toe, stamp. And those last 2 counts of 8 facing the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1, shuffle 2, shuffle 3, flap, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle 1, shuffle 2, shuffle 3, flap, heel, pause, heel, toe, out. And just a little faster. Together from the beginning, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Shuffle, toe, heel. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1. 4, together with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay guys, it is now time to piece this choreography together with the music. Remember, you can always speed it up or slow it down based upon your abilities. So good luck and try your best. 5, 6, 7, Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that tap combo. Remember, if you did, to hit that like and subscribe button right down below for new videos every week.